Today I'm going to walk you through the beginnings of using Stream. So when you are in your 365 suite, we can go down to All Apps and get access to our Stream account. Stream is like Microsoft's version of YouTube. So all of your created videos land here, as well as any meetings that you have recorded also automatically save here. So there's no need to worry about downloading and saving a recorded meeting. All of those things happen automatically. So today in this tutorial, let's just talk about navigating the Stream site. So when you get there, you see that there is an option to discover. So you can search your organization videos. You can search for a specific video, what has been watched the most frequently. You can find individuals' channels where they might be posting videos to. If there is a teacher or a specific person that you know is posting a video that you would like to find, you can search that as well, or even groups that individuals have set up. This also correlates to the actual team. So if you've recorded something in the team, then you can find the group and find that recording that way. So it's lots of different options to find your material. You also have a tab for My Content. So these are all the things that you have created. So any videos that you've created, groups or channels that you've created, meetings that you've held and have recorded, your watch list, which is like a playlist, and anything that you are personally following of others. So if I follow the music channel, then any new videos that they create will show up here. And then of course the recycle bin for anything that you are done with. The next tab is Create, and this will be our next video on how to use this Create feature. You can upload a video that you've created with another program, or you can record your screen. So these are both great options for sharing content, sharing instructions, directions, anything like that. And then this is where you can also create a channel to navigate your students to one specific place for a common topic. And finally, we have a search bar. So you can search everything on Stream. If I know that I'm looking for a recording of a discussion about our book Wonder, then I can search that and it will load all the videos that have to do with that book or that topic. So really, Stream is a wonderful way of creating video content with your students and keeping it confidential within your organization so that it does not go into the public eye and you'll still be able to maintain student privacy.